Okay. I love Void Blocker.
You will not need to ask me what I want for anything for at least the next 2 years.
I don't like Stormcaller. I feel like every time I pop my special, I die, and I don't get to use it.
Doubles elimination.
Every time I walk.
Bravo team.
All of those?
No, not all.
Nova Bomb, Reign Supreme, though.
Nah,
Wipe
I like Storm
them
Grenades.
out.
It just sucks because I fucking switched while we were flying in, so I have no grenade. I have no melee. I have my grenade that was really low right in front of me. Like that at the top of the steps.
Oh god.
Might have multi-tool.
Your team was eliminated.
Yeah, if we didn't need fucking pulse rifle kills, I wouldn't be using this. Alright, let's try this again.
Your team is behind.
What map is this? Oh, Timekeeper again. Yay. Fuck! They're both right there. Good shit. Both really low.
God damn it.
Thank God for fucking bad juju. When you get a kill, it automatically reloads the gun. If not, I would not have been able to do that because I was at the end of the clip. Holy shit. Thank goodness for exotic perks. They're both gonna be right here again. I know they are. Throw my Axiom Bolt. Dude, that guy is just fucking, like, amazing with the Red Death. He's kind of pushing up. Yeah, he's top of the steps right now. He's just watching my body.
Guardian down.
One up, one down.
Guardian.
Traded with him.
Revive your teammate.
Oh, he's got a grenade out. Good shit.
All enemies have been eliminated.
I threw my Axiom Bolt up there to fucking keep him busy. They want to keep doing this. I'll keep doing this. This is actually kind of fun. Alright, left side of the fence. Hit at least one with that. How can you go underneath?
Got one.
Nice, nice. That was an assist for me. He's underneath us.
I'm watching this guy's body. He's coming back around. He's got to be coming up at some point. He can't be coming from behind me, so I'm just chilling in the cut.
He is though. I just saw him jump through the glass. Hey, you can see him right through the thing, see him? Just standing there.
Yeah, but he can't.
Alright, I'm going around.
Other way, he's pushing my way.
Yeah, 'cause you saw me go that way.
Guardian down.
Oh god, he got me. Fuck off. Good shit. Dude, he fucking recovered
Enemy
real
team
quick.
eliminated.
He's using Red Death. You get a kill, it recharges your health.
Oh. Because I had him down to like...
Heavy ammo on the way.
I still got the assist on that,
Let's go
actually.
to this one right here on the right side, since it's right next to us. Oh, here they come. Ah, I missed. That was terrible. Fuck you.
Last
Oh,
gun
got
in
me.
the fight. Heavy ammo available.
Grab it. Good.
Don't stand together, because he probably has a rocket launcher. I don't
No,
want
it's
us to
good.
both
I'm on the body. You do whatever. I'm just watching blips.
push around
and
towards
gonna
the
aim
left.
at it.
He's over here by me
Go ahead, I got a
somewhere.
blip straight.
Alright.
Got him with a rocket. I got one more shot. He's still pushing around my side.
Jesus. My jump on the failed. Got him. Good call out, sir.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Alright, let's
You
go.
got match points, Guardians. End this.
right side down. Down the hill.
Guardian down.
Oh, he's weak. Here's the red bar. Nice.
Enemy team eliminated.
Well done, sir.
Targets eliminated. Congratulations, Guardians.
Hey, I got a
Nice
regular
work.
Shaxx bounty. An old one, man. Making an impact. Nice. Two kills. Oh,
313 shot